Now back to your earlier story. Stakeholders in the Jamaica Cricket Association demonstrated that the lights and scoreboard at Sabina Park are said to be fully operational when Australia visits Jamaica for one test and 2 T20 internationals come next month. The top brass of the Jamaica Cricket Association, led by President Dr. Donovan Bennett, praised the Jamaican government for its combined investment to renovate the lights and scoreboard at Sabina Park. During Monday night's ceremony at Sabina Park, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Sports Minister Olivia Grange reiterated the government's $75 million contribution to install new lights alongside the US $1 million investment supported by the Indian government to install a new scoreboard.
And we are very grateful to have had the Prime Minister here because the Ministry of Sport and, of course, by extension, the Prime Minister has been very receptive and very helpful to what we have achieved here. The lights, they gave us $75 million to retrofit the lights. In addition to that, they gave us support through their contacts with the government of India to get the scoreboard here.
Dr. Akshay Mansingh, the second vice president of the JCA, has been managing the project.
To say that the government of India, through a bilateral agreement with the government of Jamaica, agreed that they would provide a scoreboard. Now that was part one. Part two was then for them to procure it in their own. It had to be made in India. It had to be made by an Indian company of repute and so on. And before, as I was pointing out before they actually started the manufacturing of the scoreboard, people came here from India, took the specs, advised us on how they could improve it, and then built that scoreboard from scratch between, I would say, the beginning of April and now. They built it, shipped it, and now they're here to install it.
Prabhat Rajput is the general manager of Vulcan AIC India, which is installing the scoreboard.
And then we'll start the installation of the panels. For the smaller display, it will be like 25th June, we'll complete the installation. And for the bigger display, it will be 30th June. So like end of the month, we'll have both the displays up and live.
Sports Minister Olivia Grange reflected on proceedings.
Well, I'm very happy about the visit that Prime Minister made tonight to Sabina Park. I felt it was important that the Prime Minister see firsthand what government investment and update on government's investment in Sabina Park facilities. This is an iconic facility.
The ground is being prepared for the third test between the West Indies and Australia, set for July 12 to 16, which will be followed by 2 T20 internationals on July 20th and 22nd.